the system of PNG water pump. Just take from the water level, high water level to low water level, right? Yeah, we call C4 system. Different from the PNG water pump, just from the deep place to the high place. But C4 system from the high place to the deep place. From the high place to the deep place, different. So okay, and now you can see here with the valve check, and this project we just use with the here you can see the big size, big pipe here with the 60 millimeter and one is 34 millimeter. So the end side same size to the input pipe. I will show you later. And I use this valve check for opening and closing when we need or don't need the water flow. So how does it work? I will show. You can see. Okay. Like this, right? Water flow like this. Okay, if you don't need, you can close it like this. If you need to open, right? You can push on. Okay, if you don't need your water more, you can close, and if you need, you can open like this. You can open like this, right? Open and close the water, close and open like this. And mean that this valve check is we can compare with the turn on, turn off point of the electric pump, right? Pump. Okay, right now, okay. And how does it? How I install it? How I set up the drum? Okay, let's go to see me. Okay, go. No, I have to go. Okay. Go here. Ooh, lot of. And now you can see here that I use automated reel with the plastic pipe and drum here, right? It's a standing pipe. I call the air pressure. That it made the pressure to push to back the water or air when it come back from the end of the pipe or the output pipe, right? Make sure it cannot go through this drum, right? Use only air have in this drum or project cannot success will be fine. Okay, and next step, yeah, and the input pipe here I use with 34 millimeter. The same size to the end of the output pipe, 34 millimeter size. So, and otherwise, when you connecting between pipe to pipe, you have to use the glue. Use the glue, make sure it's no linking waterproof, mean waterproof. So, and otherwise, main point you have to remember: don't use the plastic drum, right? You have to use the metal drum like this. Plastic drum is not strong; it's very weak, right? And it's easy to deform. But like this metal drum is solid; it's not easy to deform, right? Not easy to deform. So it can make a strong pressure to suck the water from river like this, or from the from river like this. If our drum is deformed, we cannot it cannot make a strong, very super strong pressure to take the water out of the pool, to suck the water from this river to our right field over there, right? Okay. And now I want to say thank you so much that you take the time to see my explanation, my video today. And please help me to share your friend or family if they want to follow my project like this to set up their to use in their family, in their community, in their village. If you want to see my new video, please help me to subscribe or click the bell. And if you have something to ask me, you can ask below these videos by comments. And thank you so much that you take time to see my video. Hope see you in the video. Bye bye.